Top 5 Best Shoot Camera Case. Amazon Basics Medium Point and Shoot Camera Case. Zippered pocket stores memory cards and small accessories. Durable nylon and interior padding protect your camera against daily wear and tear. Internal dimensions: 4.3 x 2.5 x 0.9. External dimensions: 4.9 x 3.2 x 1.6. Hard shock resistant compact digital camera case for Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II SX730HS Nikon Coolpix W100 Panasonic Lennox GMC-TZ90 Sony CyberShot DSC-WX500 Black. Exterior case dimensions: 130 x 90 x 50 mm, 5.1 x 3.5 x 2. Internal dimensions: 120 x 70 x 40 mm, 4.75 x 2.75 x 1.5. Lightweight and compact design. Soft internal to protect your camera from scratch. Water and shock resistant. Small accessory pocket provides easy access to memory cards. Caves and hard shock resistant camera case for Sony DSC-HX90, HX80, HX50, RX100V/Canon SX730, SX720, G7X/Panasonic Lennox GMC ZS200, ZS100, ZS70, GX850, LX10, LX15/Nikon Coolpix N900 W100. Impact resistant hard shell camera case. Internal dimensions: 125 x 75 x 45 mm, designed to fit most compact digital cameras such as Panasonic Lennox GMC ZS70, GX850, LX10, LX15, Sony CyberShot DSC RX100/3/V/4 HX90, HX80, Amazon Basics holster camera case for DSLR cameras, black. Compatible with most SLRs with a zoom lens attached, up to 110 mm. External dimensions: 6.9 x 6.3 x 9.0 LXWXH. Internal dimensions: 6.5 x 5.9 x 7.5 LXWXH. 3 compartments for accessories, with 2 dedicated slots for SD memory cards. Waterproof AVA base protects your camera and helps it stand. Amazon Basics Medium DSLR Gadget Bag, orange interior. Store, carry and protect your camera equipment. Slot for iPad mini, Google Nexus 7, Amazon Kindle Fire. Holds 1 DSLR body and 2 lenses. Internal dimensions: 10.2 x 3.7 x 6.8 LXWXH. External dimensions: 11.6 x 4.9 x 7.8 LXWXH. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging.